Welcome, FEU Future Startups and Unicorns. Thanks for inviting me as one of your panelists for our title Problem Framing and the 5 T's of Startup Investment. For problem framing, we are using the fishbone diagram on 6M. We have man, machine, management, method, material, and Mother Earth. From that, you will have to dissect the problem and pick some of the top problems you want to solve. So you have to fall in love with the problem first before offering any solution. The second one, uh, the second slide is about the 5 T's. The first T is your team. So in the future, you get some senior members in technology, business, and politics, and passionate problem solvers are gold based on the, the key factor of startup funding by Manoj Singh. So there are some getting some credits from an author, Indian author. So you can see that in this managing team, the companies where they come from are put. So it shows the depth of experience that they have. The second one is TAM. It is your uh, total addressable market. It is the basis of scalability and high return of investment. So big market means big potential. So venture capitalists are looking at the TAM as a basis for funding your ideas. If it is big, then it's good. The third one is traction. So you have to show uh, how you are gaining momentum. For pre-revenue startups, you have to show the speed of production of your minimum viable product, user engagement of your MVP, and early customer acquisition. The next T is technology. Technology, innovation is the name of the game. So you have to leverage technology to solve problems in new and impactful ways. Uh, right now, you have artificial intelligence, maybe, or IoTs, or generative AI. So those are the ones that will define the market. The next one is timing. Um, be there when the market is ready. You need to have market readiness, technological support. It means the product is ready when the technology is ready. Economic impetus. Some companies will startups become successful in difficult times, and some also fail because of uh, economic conditions. So it depends on the type of startups that you're trying to do. Then you have your cultural acceptance. Um, the, the community accepts it as a good solution and first mover advantage. When we were start trying to start back in 2003, we had a product which was too early of its time, and we were at BB Wireless in back in 2003. So that's a lesson for us. Then, how do you sell your ideas in 60 seconds? We will use this SNAP framework. The first SNAP means story, the need, answer, and the proof. So this is
Here's how you
the
sell
demo.
any idea in 60 seconds, and you don't need to be good at sales to do it. Most people start their pitch with background, features, or credentials. But listeners make decisions emotionally first and then justify them logically. So they need to feel the problem before they care about your solution. So this is what most pitches sound like. This is how most people share their ideas. We're developing blockchain enabled construction management solutions that leverage IoT sensors and real time data analytics to optimize project transparency. It's a mouthful, isn't it? But watch how that same information completely transforms and comes alive when you use a Snap framework instead. So the S is story, and that's what you start with. Last year, Brian sent £30,000 from London to build his family home in Kampala, but 6 months later, only the foundation was done. After your story, you go to the need. Thousands of diaspora families lose money to delayed or abandoned building projects. After the need, you give them the answer. We've developed an app that lets you see daily photo updates, you can track expenses in it, and you can even approve payments remotely. And after the answer, you give them the proof. Projects that are monitored this way actually finish 60% faster and they stay within budget. And there you have it. Next time you sell any idea, whether it's your boss, your family, whoever, try Snap. Story, need, answer, and proof. Your audience will stay engaged and they'll remember what really matters. Here's how you sell any idea in 60 seconds.
Okay, so thank you, Far Eastern University, and hope you will produce the next future unicorns in the Philippines. Thank you.